Okay, we should probably be quiet because we're gonna go to the library. Hopefully they don't have those flowers that I'm allergic to on the tables like they did last year. Okay, let's go. Oh no, they do have those flowers. Let's just try to go read the books. We really need to pass the test. So sorry. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, ma'am. I'll try to leave. Okay. I'm gonna leave now. Yes, give me the notes.